My dad caught a huge crappie. Whoa! Is that a fish? What is that? Oh, that's just a weed. I thought that was like a stick. I just saw something like lunge at it. Alright, let's get back to trying to catch a fish on this water harbor. This is a very small creek. I'd be surprised if I actually caught a fish on it. Big Mama's chasing me down, but Big Mama just likes to stay on the bottom. Yeah, let's try a different spot. Whoa, look at the camera.